for joining us at our open house today. What does an open house mean to Anchor Group KW? A whole lot. We go all out to make sure that every buyer that walks in that door is happy, amazed, and fully engaged in this house that we have on the market. When we put together an open house, we make sure that we bring in the best vendors to serve our clients, whether it's the seller that we're holding the open house for or the buyers that come to the open house. We have Isabel Corripio here from Home Financing Center, and she provides pre-qualification for any buyers that come to our open house today. Whether they're looking to buy this house or any other house, Isabel can really look at the information and get them pre-qualified. Isabel, thank you for coming today.
Thank you, Tammy, for having me. I want to thank the Anchor Group and KW for having me in this special open house with this beautiful home with so much history. And yes, I can pre-qualify the buyers and they can go with that comfort and peace of mind that they're qualified if they're interested in purchasing this home or any other home. And I thank you again for having me, Tammy.
You got it. And Anchor Group KW, as the team leader for my team, every open house I make sure that I bring in the best vendors, professionals that really serve our clients, giving them the very best of their services. For all of my open houses, anytime I have a special event for my clients, I always call Chef Arobi because his food is absolutely delightful. I'm holding this tray right now of delicious, what is this really?
These are shrimp cocktails, mini shrimp cocktails.
Aha, and they look not only appetizing, but so well put together. This is the kind of presentation that I look for when I have an event for my clients. So I highly recommend Chef Arobi for your events, and our team at Anchor Group KW, we really work hard. We strive to bring the very best vendors to our clients because our clients want the best and we want to provide them with an extension of our services. So everyone that we work with is a professional, qualified vendor. Thank you for joining us at our open house. We hope you had a great time, and we brought to the table everything that we promised. We really offer the very best at our open houses. We hope you had fun. You were fully engaged in what this house has to offer, and we hope that you join us again at our next open house. Thank you, Tammy Garcia, your realtor on the road from Anchor Group KW. See you the next time.